Imagine invisible particles shaping everything. Every object around us seems solid and unchanging. A droplet of water, a distant mountain. But dive deeper, and you'll discover a hidden universe. At the heart of that universe sit tiny atoms. They dance in constant motion, never standing still. Each atom holds a dense nucleus of protons. It also holds neutral neutrons. Protons have a positive charge. Neutrons have none. Together they form a compact, strong center. Around them swirl electrons in defined shells. These shells mark discrete energy levels. They act like invisible tracks. Electrons occupy shells defined by precise energy levels. What makes each element unique is its proton count. Hydrogen has 1 proton. Helium has 2. Carbon has 6. That atomic number defines the element. Beyond identity, electrons shape behavior. The first shell holds 2 electrons. Subsequent shells hold more. Atoms strive for full outer shells. This arrangement controls chemical reactivity and bonding behavior. This quest for stability drives atoms to bond. In ionic bonding, atoms transfer electrons. One atom becomes positive. Another becomes negative. Opposite charges attract. A strong ionic bond forms. Think of sodium giving chlorine an electron. Table salt, sodium chloride, is the result. Ionic bonds form crystalline structures with unique properties. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons. 2 hydrogen atoms share 1 electron each. This creates a stable H2 molecule. Sharing ensures each atom fills its outer shell. Covalent bonding builds versatile molecules. From oxygen gas to carbon chains. These bonds form the basis of life. Shared electrons create strong, stable connections between atoms. Bond type affects a substance's properties. Ionic compounds often have high melting points. They conduct electricity in water. Covalent molecules can be gases, liquids, or solids. They often have lower melting points. Understanding bonds explains salt dissolving in water. It also explains why oils don't mix. Bond mysteries explain melting, conductivity, and solubility variations. Remember, the unseen dance of electrons underpins our world. From the glass in your window to the sugar in your tea, atomic bonds shape everything we touch, taste, and see. This hidden realm reveals surprising links to everyday materials. Fuel your curiosity daily. As we journey from everyday sight to the infinitesimal realm, we unveil the invisible bonds shaping our world. This powerful insight shows grand structures rely on tiny partnerships. Atoms and bonds, the hidden architects of matter. Explore the atomic universe today.